Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codercommune. My name is Anil and we are going to study about the Java. So today we are going to study about JVM, JRE and JDK. So what's JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is also known as an abstract machine. It doesn't exist physically. What does that mean? It doesn't exist physically means when you install Java on your system, you will see that there is a folder is created with the name of JDK or JRE, but you won't find any folder with the name of JVM on it. Like if you install Java, you will find a folder as JDK, and inside that you will find one more folder with JRE, but you won't find any folder with JVM. That's why it is called that it doesn't exist physically. It is built inside. For the exam purpose, if somebody asks you what's the exact definition of JVM, you would say it's a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. So remember one thing, that here specific keyword specification is more important, because this is a property, a specific feature. So whenever you are telling someone definition of JVM, don't forget to say the word specification. Next we are going to study about JRE. So what's JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. Why it is known as set of software tools? Because as you can see in the figure on the right hand, that inside the JRE you are having other libraries like .jar and .util, all the other packages which are necessary for your code. Like when you start your program, you for the user input you import a library which is known with the name of import java.io.asterisk, and util library for your collection framework, and .lang library for mathematical operations. So these all other files are present in the JRE. And as in the JVM section we have read that JVM is physically not present, that's why, because JVM is built inside the JRE. JVM is a specification, ठीक है। तो वो JRE के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है, उसमें टूल्स ऐसे पड़े हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं JVM को JVM बनाने में, बट ये अलग से कोई फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है। And it is implementation of Java. Remember the keyword implementation. As for JVM, it is specification, whereas for JRE, it is an implementation of Java. Without JRE, you cannot implement any Java program, because to implement a Java program, you will need libraries like packages, class, some inbuilt functions are there. So without JRE you cannot implement a Java program. So that's why JRE is known as implementation of Java. As I've already told, it contains some set of libraries and other files that are used by the JVM at the time of run. Next we are going to study about the JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment used to develop Java applications. Why it is known as environment software development? Because it contains all other files which are required for by the JVM. Like JDK contains JRE plus extra tools like the Java compiler and all other extra files which are needed by the JRE. So it physically exists. As you will see, when you will download the Java version, you will find a folder with the name of JDK, and inside that there is a JRE folder. So that's why it is known as that it physically exists. And the JDK contains private JVM. Why we mentioned here that JDK contains a private JVM? Because JVM, JRE and JDK are the platform independent, but Java is not. For every other system like Windows and Linux, Ubuntu, you will find that there are different type of Java. Like for Windows operating system, you will find a different Java. For Linux, you will find a different Java. So different Java means the it is compiled in such a way that the JDK and JRE are different, but while running the code, Java code is platform independent, but JRE, JDK, and JVM are independent. So that's why every JDK contains a private JVM. Like Windows will contain different set of JRE and JVM, and the Linux will in development kit will contain different kind of JRE and the JVM. It also contains few more features like the class loader, compiler, Java C compiler is used for compiling Java programs, archiver, a documentation generator, like whenever you create a program, a document is generated with the Java doc name. And that's it for today. And in the coming lecture, we'll study about the Java variables and we'll see coding also. And for that, I will make a separate video for installation of the Eclipse IDE. So thanks